The doorbells from Google and Amazon are excellent options for additional home security, but deciding between them can be tough. Here's how they stack up. Battery and wire-in hookups are significant features of each of these doorbells. If you prefer a wired installation, either of these options can be put into existing doorbell wiring. Both are battery-operated, allowing the homeowner to position the doorbell anywhere. While both doorbells have excellent functionality, there are a few major differences that must be considered. Google Nest can recognize faces and send notification to the user that someone they know is at the door. For those who don't have time to check who's at the door on a regular basis, this can be a game changer. The Ring Doorbell 4 lacks the ability to scan for specific individuals or things, making it more of a basic camera. Keeping an eye on the front door has become the norm in smart homes since the introduction of the Ring Video Doorbell. When someone approaches the door, all Ring Doorbell users are notified via a live view and video replay, making it easier to answer for packages or neighbors. The existing Nest Doorbell, on the other hand, may accomplish some of the same tasks. It can detect motion and sound as well, but it was also able to recognize the presence of people thanks to Google's processing capabilities. That small detail made it even easier to stay in the loop, regardless of where the user was. Unlike the Google Nest Video Doorbell, the Ring Doorbell has a wider design. With dimensions of 128 cm by 6.2 cm by 28 cm. With two fields of view, 160 degrees horizontal and 84 degrees vertical. Video feed are locked in a 16:9 aspect ratio. The Nest Doorbell has a long oval form, with the lens at the top and a huge ringer button at the bottom, similar to the Nest Hello. It has a height of 6.3 inches and a width of 1.8 inches. It's about the standard size for a doorbell, and it's really narrower than some competitors' offerings. Unlike the Ring Doorbell, which has a 16:9 aspect ratio, the Nest Doorbell has a vertical field of view. That is to say, you can see everything. In the 3:4 aspect ratio, people can be seen from head to toe, and goods left on the ground can also be seen. Both doorbells are comparable in terms of price. The Google Nest Doorbell battery is $179, whereas the Ring Video Doorbell 4 costs $199. Regardless of which one a consumer chooses, both the Google Nest Doorbell battery and the Ring Video Doorbell 4 are excellent smart gadgets with useful features that may help keep a house safe and secure. What are your thoughts on the Nest Video Doorbell versus the Ring Video Doorbell 4? Please let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.